Hi everyone, so this tutorial is to help you sign up on Gooprep as a student and also learn how to book a tutor on the platform. So first of all, you can simply go to your browser and type in goprep.com, or you can search for Gooprep on Google. When you search for it, you'll see Gooprep Tutor Marketplace. You click on it and it will take you directly to the Gooprep platform. Now, to sign up as a student, you can either click on Sign Up at the top menu bar, or you can scroll down and click Sign In Now. They both take you to the same page. So once you're on the sign up page, you type in your details, your phone number, email address, username, and password. Make sure you select student as your account type before continuing. Also, your phone number should preferably be linked to your WhatsApp number because it makes it easier for you to use the GoPrep Messenger to communicate with tutors on the platform. After filling in your details, accept the terms and conditions and click Join Now. Now, because I already have an account, I'll just click on Sign In. After signing up, a verification link or code will be sent to your email address. Make sure you verify your account before accessing your student dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, this is what your student profile will look like. The first thing you should do is upload a profile picture. It can be any clear photo of yourself, but make sure it fits properly. Next, go to Profile Settings. Under Personal Details, you can enter your full name, grade level, gender, tagline, country, region, city, and the languages you speak. You can also select your learning preference, whether you prefer online learning, learning at your place, or at the tutor's location. Preferably, for convenience, you can select online learning. You can also write a brief description about the kind of help you need. Maybe you need help preparing for BECE, WASSCE, university courses, professional exams, or remedial classes. After entering your details, click Save and Update Changes. Next, go to Contact Details. Here, you enter your phone number, email address, and WhatsApp number. If you have any social links like Facebook or LinkedIn, you can add them too, but they are optional. Once done, click Save and Update Changes again. Now, if you want to book a tutor, you simply go to the Find Tutors section on the menu bar. Here, you'll see different tutors available on the platform. You can search by subject. For example, if you need a math tutor, just type math in the search box and all math tutors available will appear. You'll be able to see the subjects they teach, their hourly rates, their availability, and their profile information. So let's open John Smith's profile for example purposes. You can see his hourly rate, location, qualifications, subjects he teaches, and the times he is available. If you want to speak with the tutor first, you can click Let's Chat Now. We'll have another tutorial showing how to use the Gooprep Messenger. But if you want to book the tutor immediately, you can click Book Tuition. Now let's say the tutor is available on Monday after 5 p.m. You can select Monday and choose a time slot, for example, from 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Once the slot turns green, click Save and Update. If you are booking for another person, you can tick the option that says, book this appointment for someone else, and then fill in the person's details such as first name, last name, phone number, email address, and your relationship with the person. After filling everything correctly, click Save and Continue. Now, because this session is for 30 minutes and the tutor charges 65 gonocetis per hour, the system automatically adjusts the amount to 32.50 gonocetes. At this stage, review your booking details carefully, including the date, time, and tutor information before proceeding to checkout. Now, you can proceed to payment using any of the available payment methods, including mobile money, card payment, or bank transfer. So, once you're ready, tick the checkbox and click Place Order. At this point, you'll be redirected to the payment platform where you can complete your payment. If you choose mobile money, simply enter your phone number, select your network provider, and confirm the payment request on your phone. Once payment is successful, the student will receive a notification through email and also directly on the Gooprep platform. The tutor will also receive a notification informing them that they have been booked. You can always check your inbox notifications or email to confirm your booking details. And that's basically how to create your Gooprep student account and successfully book a tutor on the platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope to catch you in the next one where we'll learn how to use the Gooprep Messenger platform. Thank you and have a wonderful day.